Hello, Jai Hind guys, and welcome back to the channel AK's Diecast. So my friends, in this video today I am going to show you the blue Alfa Romeo Gtv6 3.0 by the type factory fresh. Means this is straight out of the factory, and yes, right beside this blue car you are seeing the two Alfa Romeo Gtv6 3.0 by the type retro racers. And yes guys, these cars are so impressive. So let's compare both of these cars, but let me show you first the blue Alfa Romeo. Okay, here it goes. As you guys can see, a very clear blue image, a blue card art is there, where you can see this, the ionic look of a Alfa Romeo. Here this is the grille for this car, a triangular shape. Here is the Alfa Romeo logo and nice disc wheels here, as you guys can see. So let's check out the casting quickly now. Surely we are not going to unbox it, but let's see the details. So yeah guys, see, the details are added very nicely. The silver color treatment is on the headlights. The Alfa Romeo logo is there. The triangle grille is there. Also the grille area is blacked out, and yes, as usual, the front bumper is in the plastic. Yes, and here it goes now, the side view. Since you guys can see the black, orange, again black strip. So yes, this is a very kind of a little bit of sporty touch to this car. Then here we have the retro wheels, and yes, the first comparison, here it comes. Look at this guys, the rims are totally different for both of the cars. This have a racing kind of rims, which is a kind of, I can say, inner disc. Okay, this is the outer disc rim. Okay, sorry, this is the kind of outer disc rim, and this is the inner disc rim. So yeah, this, and let me tell you one thing also, these wheels are surely new, introduced for this Alfa Romeo. These wheels are never been seen before except this one. And again guys, they have changed the wheel for this car. So this is like the 90s cap wheels. Okay, here it is the thing, this is a cap wheel. Now you guys can understand. And here a very big window is there. Just look at this massive shape. Again guys, that's for the side. Let's come to the rear. As usual, there are no rare details. Why Hot Wheels? We want such great details in a budget friendly price guys. So yeah, here it is missing out. Again, in this casting also, there are no blackout tail lights or red tail lights. Again, yes, but hey guys, let me tell you one thing. If you guys want to see this and this review video, then yes, the link is available in the description. But for now, the comparison, as you guys can see, this, the retro racers type racing livery of the Hot Wheel. Again here the Alfa Romeo return. Okay, yes, here the Alfa Romeo return. Here no Alfa Romeo return. This is a plain car as it come out of factory. Yeah, therefore the factory fresh. And this is a racing type. So yes, the all racing livery, the sponsors are there. Look here, as you can see in the card art, here the headlights are not means modified. Yes, this is a clean headlights and these are modified headlights, and this detail is purely seen right here. So look at this, the white car has the X pattern headlight and the factory fresh have a clean headlight. So yes, the details are added very nicely. So this is a quite comparison guys. So do let me know that did you like this video, did you like the Alfa Romeo Gtv6 3.0, and share this to your friends who might know about the Hot Wheels. That's all for today's video. I will meet you in the next video. Until then guys, do like, share, subscribe this video, and bye. Jai Hind.